Haryana. I have completed my 12th class from Nadanchal Senior Secondary School with 82% marks under the Board of School Education Haryana. We are 4 members in our family. We are 2 siblings. My father is an ex-serviceman. I like sports activities, especially kabaddi, and also a part of my village kabaddi team. I have positive attitude and committed to my work. I am quick learner and good listener. The aim of my life is to serve the nation as to be a part of Indian Air Force. Now we coming to the topic which is given to us for discussion is terrorism. In my opinion, it is a sensitive topic. Terrorism means a group of people who commits violence and make terrorist activity against civilians. Today, almost all the country have been affected by terrorism. We all know that our country is fighting a battle against terrorism in Kashmir and other places also. Thank you.
Good morning friends, my name is Kartik Sharma. I am from Charkhi Dadri, Haryana. I have completed my 12th class with 98% under Haryana board. We are 5 members in my family. We are 3 siblings. My father is an ex-serviceman and my mother is a homemaker. Now coming to my hobby, I like sports activities, especially cricket. I was the member of cricket team of our school. I have positive attitude. I am a quick learner and good listener. The aim of my life is to serve the nation as to the part of Indian Air Force. Today our topic is on Clean India Mission. Clean India Mission is the most significant and popular mission of India. It was launched by our government and introduced by our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi on 2nd October. It was the birth date of Mahatma Gandhi. It was the dream of Mahatma Gandhi to clean India. The main motto of this mission is to aware the people about cleanliness and to remove the habit of people throwing waste here and there. Thanks.
Hello everyone, my name is Mohit. I am from Fatehawad, Haryana. I have completed 12th with 94% marks under Haryana board. I like to play outdoor games. My strengths are I never give up and I am completed
before the deadline. I want to join Indian Air Force because I want to serve the nation, to be a part of Indian Air Force. Our today's topic is co-education. Co-education is a type of education in which both boys and girls study together in a single classroom. It is a best example for gender equality. It gives also a support to women empowerment also. And when both boys and girls study together in a single classroom, then it also increases mutual understanding between the 2 different genders. So I think it is the best education system launched by our government to make gender equality in our country and develop our country from a developing country. Thank you.
Than the soil. Water is polluted due to the chemical waste released by the industries, and due to this aquatic habitat is destroyed completely. Air pollution is increasing due to the chimney smoke. Thanks a lot.
Good morning friends. My name is Pardeep. I am from Rewari, Haryana. I completed my 12th from Saraswati Senior Secondary School with 91.8% marks under Haryana board. We are 4 members in our family. My father is welder. We are 2 siblings. I like sports activities, especially cricket, and was also a member of school cricket team. My strengths are I am a quick learner and good listener. I have positive attitude and I am committed to my work. The aim of my life is to serve the nation, to be part of Indian Air Force. Today the topic which is given to us for discussion is Make in India. In my opinion, it is a current relevant. Make in India, the Make in India program was launched in 2014 to transform India a manufacturing hub. The Make in India program attracted foreign countries to invest in India. Several big multinational companies multinational companies started their manufacturing in India, like Elon Musk company Tesla manufacturing in India for electric vehicles. Thanks a lot. I completed my 12th with 91% marks under Haryana board. I love to play volleyball and reading newspaper. My strengths are I can make friends easily. Once I start, I always complete my job. I have a positive attitude. The aim of my life is to serve the nation, to be a part of Indian Air Force. Now coming to the topic which is given to us for group discussion is social media. In my opinion, it is a contradictory topic. Uses of social media is increasing day by day. Uses of social media is increasing day by day. As a coin has two sides. Social media also have its merits and demerits. In its merits, it increases the communication speed. We can easily communicate with our family members. But in its demerits, students are getting addicted to the social media, leaving their studies behind. So it is on us that how we take it in a positive or a negative way. Thank you.
Bhiwani, Haryana. I have completed my 12th class from Apex Senior Secondary School by getting 90% marks under the Haryana board. We are 7 members in my family and we are 4 siblings. My aim is to serve the nation by be a part of Indian Air Force.
टॉपिक पे
तो टॉपिक मेरे को थोड़ी पता है.
कोई भी टॉपिक बोलते रैंडम.
The aim of my life is to serve the nation, to be a part of Indian Air Force. Today, the topic which is given to us for discussion, co-education. In my opinion, it is an interesting topic. Co-education system is the system of education in which boys and girls are study in the same environment. This system is better than the separate study, in which they learn how to respect each other. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Saurav. I am from Fatehwad, Haryana. I completed my 12th with 92% marks under Haryana board. We are 4 members in my family. We are 2 siblings. I like to play outdoor games and reading books. My strengths are I never give up and I complete my task before the deadlines. I have positive attitude and I committed to my work. The aim of my life is to serve the nation as to be a part of Indian Air Force. Now we coming on the topic which is given to us for the discussion is women empowerment. In my opinion, it is an interesting topic. Women empowerment means empowering of women to uplift their lives and to eradicate the discrimination between men and women. There are many fields where women are harassed by the society and they are not equally considered to the men. So I think women empowerment is an essential factor for developing country. So government should start more scheme to boost it. Thank you.
From Charkhi Dadri, Haryana. We are 5 members in my family. My father is a barber. We have a pet also. The aim of my life is to serve the nation. Recently, I have completed my 12th from Bharat Senior Secondary School. My hobbies are photography and creativity, art and craft. The aim of my life is to serve the nation, to be part of Indian Air Force. Today, the topic which is not given to me, but recently I am speaking on it is education. Education is the most important part of life. Education is most important for the people which are poor, which are not able to earn. The education is the most important weapon which can change us and which can be used to change the world. Thank you.
Good morning, friend. Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, friends. My name is Jyoti. I am from Hisar, Haryana. I have completed my 12th with 96% marks under Board of School Education, Haryana. We are 4 members in our family. I like sports activity, especially cycling. My strengths are I am amiable as well as quick learner. The aim of my life is to serve the nation, to be a part of Indian Air Force. Today the topic which is given to us for discussion is gambling, evil or boon. As we see in our society, gambling is taken as a bad habit. By the gambling, we can lose our property, we can make a bad image in our society. And it is true, gambling is a bad habit, but in some cases, some people take advantage of it, they make money. But now gambling is available on online platform also. Some apps are promoting it, like as you all have heard, rummy games. They are also example of online gambling. This is a bad habit. We should not do it.
Good morning friends, my name is Shweta. I am from Hisar, Haryana. I have completed my 12th with 91% marks under CBSE board. Now I am pursuing Bachelor's of Science from Government College, Hisar. Now coming on my family background, we are 5 members in family and we are 2 siblings. Now my hobbies are art and craft, sketching, and that's why I am a very creative person. I am a confident person with positive attitude. My aim of life is to serve the nation, to be a part of Indian Air Force, and I will be very fortunate if I get this opportunity. Now I want to share my thoughts on online education. Online education is both boon and curse to the society. Online education provides a free platform for the students who can't afford the expensive coaching. For example, YouTube. There is many content on the YouTube which can help students in preparing many competitive exams as well as college and school exams. Along with this, online education has very bad effect on the mental health of the student. Addiction from the mobile phone is another cause of the disorder in the mental health. So using mobile phone and social media and the online education in the limited way is good. Thank you.